Wow, look at that pool. Very nice pool home. This is definitely cool. I love the bar here. And then also on the inside of the pool, there are bar chairs, bar stools also. Very neat. Big backyard. Lots of pavers. Little fire pit action going on here. Nice sitting area. You're on a big corner lot with this property. And you are also right on the golf course. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And got a nice little lake fountain. And you got nice homes all the way around you. It's in a gated community, and it's very nice. Come check it out. I'll have a link with this that actually gives you all the stuff about inside the house, but most people like to go straight to the back and see what it looks like. So with that said, check out the link. We also have a 3D tour of the home.